Namaskaram. I am Vera Krishnaradj, Kuchipudi dancer, teacher and choreographer. I would like to congratulate today all the dancers of the world and all those who love dance with this beautiful event, International Dance Day. So what is dance to me? For me, dance means to be in a connection with the people, to talk to them, to convey, to share my emotions and ideas in a very beautiful and subtle way. Honestly speaking, I feel that spirituality is a very essential part of dance. When I was young, I used to wonder, is it possible for the dancer of Indian classical dance being on a stage to get united with the Almighty? I could understand how the musicians do it. I saw it with my own eyes. But how is it about the dance? On the stage, the dancer has to be very dynamic, self-controlled. He has to understand what he's doing every minute. Can he open his card? Can he get dissolved and lose himself at least for a moment in these beautiful moments? I should say that I am very lucky that I could experience it on the stage. These are the most precious moments of my life which I will never forget. Dance is a very self-sufficient form. It will give you a very good health, strong body, at the same time very graceful and feminine. It will make your character strong. You have to study a lot. You have to go deep into the traditions and culture. And it will make your personality very wide and beautiful. So I'm very happy today, and I would like to express my gratitude to JNCC for celebrating this wonderful International Day of Dance. So all the dancers of the world, let's not stop. Let's share this significant beauty, this magic, spirituality to the whole world and make this life better. Namaskaram.